Transform your health with plant-based nutrition. Are you struggling with ineffective diets? As a female nutritionist, I understand the challenges of finding a sustainable, enjoyable approach to healthy eating. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the Plant-Based Cookbook, your ultimate guide to nourishing, delicious, and energizing meals. Discover 200 plus chef-crafted recipes. Our cookbook features over 200 mouth-watering plant-based recipes, including creamy tofu curry, vibrant quinoa salads, protein-packed pad thai, comforting market shepherd's pie. All recipes are 100% vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free, without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Comprehensive lifestyle guide. The plant-based cookbook isn't just a recipe collection. It's a complete lifestyle transformation offering 30-day jumpstart program, 100 plus refreshing smoothie recipes, comprehensive grocery shopping list, 30-day meal plan. Experience amazing health benefits. By embracing a plant-powered lifestyle, you may enjoy improved heart health, effortless weight management, clearer, glowing skin, increased energy levels, real results from real people. Emily S., a satisfied customer, shares, "The recipes are simply stunning, bright, colorful, and full of healthy inspiration. I 100% recommend the plant-based cookbook for adding variety to your diet with delicious, healthy recipes." Limited time offer. For a limited time, get the plant-based cookbook bundle, including all bonuses at a special promotional price. Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your health and discover the delicious world of plant-based eating. Click the link below to start your journey to vibrant health today.